Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for unemployment benefits with EDD detailed guide step by step clearly. To register for unemployment benefits with the Employment Development Department, or EDD, start by visiting the official EDD website. Look for the Unemployment section on the home page. Click on the link that directs you to the File for Unemployment Benefits page. Before you begin, gather all necessary personal information. This includes your Social Security number, California driver's license or ID card number, and contact information. Make sure you have details about your last employer, including their name and address, and the start and end dates of your employment. Once you have all the information ready, click on the Apply for Benefits button. You will be prompted to create an account if you don't already have one. Follow the prompts to set up your account by providing your email address and creating a password. After logging in, you will start the application process. Fill out your personal details accurately, including your date of birth and residential address. When you reach the Employment History section, enter your last employer's information as requested. Be prepared to answer questions regarding your reason for unemployment. Confirm your eligibility by answering all related questions accurately. After completing the sections, you will review your application for any errors. Make any necessary edits before submitting. Once you've confirmed everything is accurate, submit your application. You will receive a confirmation of your submission via email. Keep this confirmation for your records. After a few days, check your account for updates on your claim status. If additional information is needed, follow the instructions provided by EDD. Be sure to respond promptly to any requests to ensure your claim is processed without delays. If you need assistance, consider reaching out to EDD's customer service for guidance. Stay informed on your claim status through your online account or follow-up emails. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.